Look at this. There's so many cactus to propagate here. And my problem is I don't have enough space. So the solution is this. Okay, excited to see what's this? Let's check it out. Imagine how much space you can save using this. If we count this, we have 30 pots here. And if you compare here, 30 pots takes a lot of space. So let's do it. My soil mix is 2 parts soil, 2 of this, and 3 parts pumice, 3 of this. Mix well, and this is a very loose soil, and we're also using a very small pot, so we will surely avoid root rot due to overwatering. Let's start. I'm gonna transfer here all grafted cactus. I'm gonna prioritize this since they have a small rootstock, just a thin rootstock that will surely fit in these small pots. I'm gonna explain to you how should we remove the roots. If you have a plastic pot like this, it's easier to remove them because you just need to press the pot and it will slide out. So we have 3 types of roots: primary, secondary, and tertiary roots. The primary roots are the straight ones. I can't see it here. So the primary root is this one, the big one, the fat one, and then connected to that there's a smaller, that's the secondary, and this one is the tertiary roots. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Why are we talking about primary, secondary, and tertiary roots? Because some cactus and some succulent species are very sensitive when we cut the primary roots. But good thing this blue boy cactus is not very sensitive. Why do we need to trim the roots? So they will grow new roots. And second one is it will fit in our small pot. So let's continue. I'm gonna continue doing this and I'll show you when I'm done. Here's a better view of the cactus. This is the primary, the fat one. This is the secondary. This is the tertiary. And those small ones are the root hairs. Here's another technique that I would like to share to you. If you have these big thorns on blue boy cactus, you can cut this off. So when you handle this later, you will not be cautious about the pricks. That's it. So here it is now. The thorns are removed and it's easier to handle. You can handle it without any hand protection if you remove those thorns. Alright, I'm done. Let's see how much space we save. Let's move it there. You can see how much space we save, so we can move here, there's so much space in there and here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order more of this and I'm gonna transfer most of these plants into this tray with pots.